In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Monthly Report. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your monthly breakdown and how to read it so you can spot patterns, track consistency, and make better trading decisions. First, log in to Tradervue. Use your usual credentials on the main sign-in page. If you're using extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which shows a snapshot of your trading activity. Next, head to Reports. You'll find this in the main navigation. Reports is where Tradervue compiles all of your performance data into charts, summaries, and comparisons. It's the hub for understanding not just how you traded, but how your results evolve over time. Inside Reports, make sure you're on the Overview tab. Overview gives you a high-level performance summary, including total P&L, win rate, average trade metrics, and other core stats. Think of this as your home base for performance review. It brings together the most important figures so you can assess your results at a glance before diving into deeper analysis elsewhere. Now choose the year-month grouping. This setting tells Tradervue to organize your data by calendar month within each year, aggregating your trades so you can see monthly totals and averages. This is what creates the monthly report view. After selecting year/month, the page will refresh and present your performance grouped month by month, typically showing P&L, number of trades, win rate, average gain and loss, and other key metrics. Use this monthly view to evaluate consistency. Look for months where profits are strong and compare them to weaker months. Ask yourself what changed: market conditions, your setups, risk per trade, or trade frequency. Notice how your win rate lines up with your average winner and loser. Sometimes a modest win rate can still produce solid months if your average winner meaningfully exceeds your average loser. Similarly, a high win rate can hide problems if losses are large when they occur. Pay attention to the impact of costs. If you see a big difference between gross and net P&L, trading expenses or slippage might be eroding results. Month-to-month comparisons make this obvious and can guide you toward reducing unnecessary churn. Finally, use the monthly trends to set realistic goals. Identify what worked in your best months and define one or two behaviors to repeat. If a month stands out as an outlier, note what was unique about it rather than changing your whole approach. That's it. Log in, go to Reports, open Overview, and use year/month grouping to see your monthly report and learn from it.